This video reviews the creation of a view using the model tree to filter a dataset. Let's start by opening the Steel view in the COBie Office project. The model tree can be used to create views of datasets by using category, family, or type names to filter the objects. Let's expand the categories in the structural model. Choose those objects that you'd like to be contained in a view of Steel. Next, let's change the visibility of the objects that are not selected by hiding others. You'll notice that both the inventory and the model view reflect only those objects that we chose from the model tree. All other objects have been removed from the dataset. As you're interacting with the model tree to show and hide objects, Assemble is creating intelligent rules in the Visibility Settings panel. Click on Visibility Settings at the bottom of the model tree to see the rules we generated. Review the next video to learn more about the Visibility Settings panel.